In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Coinbase customer service in 2025. As we all know, customer support is a crucial aspect of any online platform, especially when it comes to handling your finances and investments. Whether you're having trouble with your account, a transaction, or you have some pressing questions about Coinbase itself, knowing how to effectively reach out to their customer service is essential. So let's dive into the step-by-step process together. First off, you'll want to head over to the Coinbase Help Center at help.coinbase.com. This is your go-to starting point for all things related to Coinbase support. Once you're on the page, you'll find a wealth of information available. This can range from browsing through various help topics to taking a look at common questions and their respective solutions. The aim here is to provide you with an array of resources to help you troubleshoot independently whenever possible. Now, if you aren't able to find the answers you're looking for, or perhaps you have a more specific issue, the next step is to utilize the Contact Us, Submit a Request link. This link is typically prominently displayed and may come in handy, particularly when you need more personalized assistance. When you click on the Contact Us option, you'll be able to choose the specific product or service you need help with. This is where the process gets a bit more tailored. After selecting a product, you'll have a few options. You can communicate directly through their virtual assistant, chat with an agent, or if you prefer a more traditional approach, you may consider giving them a call. Keep in mind though, speaking to an agent might require you to sign in to your Coinbase account, which ensures that they can access your account details only after you've given them your consent. It's also important to understand that using the virtual assistant may offer a quicker resolution for simpler problems, thanks to its ability to instantly provide answers based on your inquiries. However, for more complex issues that require a human touch, chatting with a live agent might be more appropriate. Now let's talk a bit about contacting an agent over the phone. The number to call will be clearly listed on the same support page, making it convenient for those who might prefer to resolve issues verbally. Remember, when communicating with Coinbase support, it's always a good idea to have your account information and specific details about the issue ready. This will help expedite the process and lead to a faster resolution. With these steps, reaching out to Coinbase for support should be straightforward and stress-free. Hopefully, this guide empowers you to handle any issues or questions you might encounter with ease. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow for more tips and guides to navigate the digital world.